10 a.m., I arrived at Bulak Imogiri, a tranquil yet surprising spot in Bantul, Yogyakarta. The atmosphere was still cool, not too crowded, and the sky was crystal clear, perfect for flying a drone. It's time for the drone to take off. From above, the view of Bulak Imogiri is truly a feast for the eyes. Green rice paddies, small roads that wind through the fields, and a peaceful village atmosphere. This is the Yogyakarta that not many people know about. Bulak Amongtani is located in Imogiri, Bantul, Yogyakarta, precisely to the east of Imogiri Square or Imogiri Culinary Market. When I was there was a delicious soto stall with a spacious area. There's also a gazebo for resting or eating. This is a statue of Sultan Agung, Mataram King, in Imogiri. The existence of the statue of Sultan Agung with his Bregido Pendarik gods, which was built at the 0 point of Imogiri, or the northern third of the district office in Bantul Regency, DIY, is expected to be useful for knowledge of the nation's history. Bulak Imogiri isn't a mainstream tourist destination, but that's precisely what makes it so appealing. It's natural, serene, and has its own unique charm, especially when viewed from the air. Jogja is never ending to enjoy, especially from the air. If you enjoy content like this, please support this channel by subscribing. See you at the next flight.